Hi there, welcome to Crypto Gems. My name is Taj, and in today's video we are going to take a closer look at the crypto known as DEVL crypto. We're going to study about its chart and all that fun stuff. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So this is the website of DEVL token. It is basically a reward and utility token that gives generous incentives to the holders. The more you hold, the more you earn. And DEVL pairs proven incentive mechanism on the Binance Smart Chain network with robust economics and unique features. The fuel to the fire of DEVL ecosystem, the holders of DEVL will have the keys to a kingdom of DeFi products that will make DeFi experience safer, simpler, and more accessible. And with DEVL holders, you will be able to earn lucrative rewards fueled by a revolutionary ecosystem of products that solve many of the current issues that DeFi users face. And DEVL will become known throughout this space as a go-to solution for trading crypto with fiat currencies, keeping track of your tokens and NFTs across multiple chains, creating secure transactions, agreements with other users through an escrow service, and ultimately it would become the most user-friendly wallet in crypto. The roadmap for DEVL is insanely impressive and a lot of bullish sign for a project that is looking to revolutionize the space while accessing markets current DeFi projects can't really get into. So this token was actually born out of the love for cryptocurrencies and basically a belief in the power and the freedom of decentralized finance. Through the project, they are addressing some of the greatest barriers to entry many would face when getting into DeFi, while building a powerful set of tools that will give people the ultimate control and insight into their tokens and other crypto assets. They are wholly committed to pursuing this path, empowering DeFi users and crypto investors. So this is the current maximum supply they have. The network is Binance Smart Chain. Some of the features would be that the rewards would be automatically reflected to the holders. Liquidity is locked on PancakeSwap. Staking DApp allows users to collect BUSD rewards, creating a hedge against volatility. And there's built-in governance that lets holders decide when contract changes can be made. So here is the light paper, or let's say the white paper of DEVL, and here you can get a more information about this token, what it aims to be and what's the future for this project. And through its roadmap, DEVL plans to not only become widely used by current DeFi users across multiple chains, but also to bring in droves of new users to the space. And the project is serious about hitting its target and goals. And providing their commitment to delivering a good product, the team has announced that 3 DApps or decentralized applications will be released at the launch. A getaway with third-party fiat-to-crypto implementation, a yield farm, and a governance app. Now let's check out the Twitter page of the DEVL crypto, and currently it has 503 followers. Again, it's in very early stages, but the project looks really promising because it's going to reward you for holding the token. And the fact that it's going to reward people back just to hold the token itself is a very good formula to start a crypto project because it's kind of incentivizing you. So that's a really good thing about it. So that's basically it, and my review and analysis of the DEVL crypto token. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.